Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K40 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are on the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left and pick the settings button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to tap to Smart Suggestions option, and now at the second position we have Scan QR codes, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep it turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can do it by just putting them inside your camera and you don't need any other app to do it. We have also here short info from the device that this can scan QR codes only when we stay on standard photo mode by using the rear camera, so we have to remember to use back camera and stay here on the photo mode. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.